Hello, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Wacom Cintiq 16-inch, and here it goes. So here is the box, as you can see it, with a beautiful picture on it. So let's crack this baby open. So the flaps. I'm gonna take it out. So first box and the second box inside the box. It contains, I guess, everything I need to connect it. And the little booklet and the stickers. So and here it is inside the beautiful pouch. So let's open this. Here it is, but we got a lot of other things too to connect it to the computer, in my case a Mac, and it contains a HDMI plug, here it is, with the connection to the wall outlet, HDMI and USB. Let's put it aside. The Pro Tool pen, and a little booklet, which of course contains how to install it. This is the instruction manual, and there are 4 times 6 millimeters screws and 4 times 5 millimeter screws, and a 5 millimeter screws has to be attached to the back plate, and the rest has to be attached to the stand, and it has to be put like this, not as I guessed, but let's find it out. So let's open the pouch. So just a tip, the thicker screws must be attached to the back plate, and the other screws to the actual stand. So finally I got it on. The last 4 screws were just so frustrating because they are so very small. I couldn't get them properly into the little holes, but eventually I made it. And now it's really on. The stand is on the Wacom. So I am relieved because I'm not so technical in this kind of situations where I put something together. But eventually, with a lot of patience, I got it right. So here it is. I just have to wait for a hub because I don't have a HDMI port. I hopefully will get it today. So I will get you through the process of installing the software, connecting it to my MacBook, and eventually beginning to draw. So this was part 1 of my video of my new Wacom Cintiq 16. And last but not least, I put the pen in the pen holder. And that's it for today.